Trade recap for October 2nd, 2025. Today we made $1,340. Yesterday we lost about 700, 800. So on total we're up 628 on the week. We took a couple trades today. Our overall bias for every single chart was correct, which was bearish. We had a bearish bias coming into based off of 4-hour market structure and all the recent news that have been coming out. Um, so okay, we did something. Let me get through this first. So we could have. This was on EU today. We could have. I did a theoretical position because I missed this trade. I did not take it. I didn't feel confident enough to take it. Um, New York market open. We pushed down into previous session lows. We consolidated for a good little second around this area. We created this 15-minute fair value gap on the way down. Price came, touched it, broke 1 minute structure towards the downside, as well as 5 minute. I would have entered right here, had take profit one at Asia session lows, New York session lows, and then at this draw on liquidity. Overall, on the 4 hour for Euro USD, we were bearish based off of the retracement into the 4 hour Fibonacci extension off of last week's push down in the market. So we were overall bearish. Same thing with GU. I'm unfortunately I was not able to catch this position, but we did catch this position on EJ and GJ. So on EJ, we can see on the high time frame that on the 1 hour that London session created this huge push down in the market. So my overall bias for today was bearish on EJ and GJ. Price came up. New York market open. We had this 4 hour Fibonacci extension retracement from that push down and during London session. Price came up into that point. We broke structure towards the downside. We inversed this fair value gap right here as well. From there, we put our TP1 at this previous Asia session. I believe they're lows, yes. Previous Asia session lows, previous daily lows, as well as previous session lows. And we did the exact same thing for GJ. We took this position out early around, we took it out pretty much at TP1. Same thing, London session created this huge push down, retracement into the midpoint of the Fibonacci. We had a 5 minute fair value gap, a 1 minute break of structure, and then we had this 15-minute fair value gap just for continuation. We took out TP1 and we might take out TP2, but I already took out 100% of this position at TP1. And okay, so this is what I did that I don't recommend anybody to do, but I did because I was confident in the markets. I was confident that gold and silver both wanted to go down today based off the news from yesterday that the government shut down. Also, overall, we went up, we took out this liquidity, and I was overall bearish on gold and silver. So we came down, right? And pretty much what I did was I just placed a sell position with no TP, no stop loss. Just press sell. I just pressed sell. And then the market continued to push down, Off of these two trades, we can actually go back and look. Off of, let's see if it's possible. Okay, whatever. So on gold, $2, whatever. Silver, gold again, 50, 40, 42. Silver 52, gold 370, gold 488. Um and yeah, so we made about like 500 on this one and then this little silver one right here. I should have continued. I should have kept holding, bro, but I kind of just scalped these positions. It was nobody do that, bro. I don't recommend anybody to do that cuz one big candlestick anywhere right here towards the upside would have completely shifted market direction, and I would have been probably about probably would have lost my funded account. So for sure, don't do that. Okay, that's my advice for those two trades. But overall, pretty good trading day. Over risked like crazy, bro. Also, I was kind of pissed off because let's check the Alpha Capital. I was kind of pissed off because I lost $700 yesterday. We're about to see. Might have been 800. So yep. Um, Remaining 2,000. So I think I'm good. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Perfect. So yesterday I lost $712, and today I made 1,340. Friday we're gonna see how much I can make tomorrow. Let's see the news coming out for tomorrow. We have some high impact news in the morning, so we might not trade tomorrow. To be honest, at all, we're looking not to trade tomorrow. That's for sure what we're looking for. But I feel like tomorrow's gonna be a fun video as well. Tomorrow's price is gonna be good tomorrow. Um, I feel like we're gonna make a lot of money tomorrow as well. So with that being said, yep, that was my overall trade recap. Overall beautiful trading day. Um, I have to edit about 4 hours worth of footage, so I'm gonna go grind on that. Peace out, ladies and gentlemen. Stay blessed.